Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I will be showing you 2 easy ways to remove glue from your lace wig. So the first method today is to use a round object or a pencil or a pen, whatever round object you have to remove the glue from your lace wig. I saw this trending on Instagram, so I tried it a couple times on my client's wig and it take it off without pulling out the hairs. So as you can see, all I'm doing is spinning the pencil in clockwise and anti-clockwise motion, and it is taking the glue off. So means while you're spinning it, the glue that is already on the pencil is adhering to the glue that is on the lace, and that is very quick and easy. When I say easy, it is very easy to take the glue off your lace. You're going to keep on doing this until all the glue has been completely removed from your lace. And this is how the lace is looking after I've completely removed the glue from the lace. By washing this wig, any excessive glue that is stuck in between the thin layers of the lace will be removed when you wash the wig. Okay, so the second method, I'm going to use Dawn dish liquid soap and warm water to remove the glue from this wig. As you can see, this wig the glue on the wig is quite fresh, so I'm going to pour some boiling water into a bucket and Dawn liquid soap. You can use a small amount, you don't have to use much, and you're going to stir that into the bucket, and you're going to place your wig inside the bucket for approximately 30 minutes. It could be less. Once you see the glue start flaking or look like it is sliding off, you can take out your wig and just peel off the glue. So you can let it soak in the water for 30 minutes. So after the 30 minutes, I leave mine up to 30 to 45 minutes. That's how the glue was looking on my lace, and I just peel it off. I didn't even have to rub it, it just glide off, it just slide right off the lace. Because this wig was installed recently, so the glue wasn't inside the wig for a long period of time, so I guess that's why it peels off so quickly. And that's how your lace is looking after you use that method. So you can use whichever method you're comfortable with, but I prefer to use the Dawn liquid soap method. After removing the glue, you want to continue by washing the wig. I'm going to use some Tresemme shampoo and some VO5 conditioner to wash this wig. I will be only showing you how to wash one wig on camera. So that's the wig that I use the pencil to remove the glue. And I'm going to soak the wig inside the water, and then I'm going to use the shampoo to wash it, and then I'm going to use the conditioner to comb it out, and you will see how the wig is looking after it has been dried. And this is the end result. The laces are so clean. Both method work. If you like my content so far, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also to click that notification bell if you want to see more of your girl video. And thank you for watching.